We see birds of different colors and sizes around us. All birds have one beak, two eyes, two wings, and two legs. Their bodies are covered with feathers of different colors. Feathers. Birds are the only creatures on the earth whose bodies are covered with feathers. Birds have feathers of different colors and sizes. They have 3 types of feathers. Body feathers cover a bird's body. Down feathers are small, soft, and fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. Flight feathers are long and help a bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on tail and wings. How birds fly. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Wings are attached to a bird's body with the help of strong muscles. These muscles move the wings. The shape of their bodies is like a boat, which also helps them to fly in air. Birds flap their wings to fly. They move their wings in 2 ways, upstroke and downstroke. In upstroke movement, wings move upward and backward. In downstroke movement, wings move downward and forward. The tail of a bird helps it to change direction during flying. Birds like ostrich, emu, and penguin cannot fly. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. Different birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the food they eat. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short, hard, and strong beaks to crush seeds and grains they eat. Birds like eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks to tear the flesh of their prey. Hummingbird and sunbird have long and pointed beaks to drink nectar from flowers. Water birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on either side. The holes allow muddy water to flow out, leaving the insects and plants inside the beak. Parrot has short and curved beak to crack nuts and seeds. Woodpecker has strong, pointed, and chisel-like beak to make holes in tree trunks and pull out insects. Hoopoe has long, slender, and pointed beak to pull out insects from flowers and holes in the ground. Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use their feet to walk, hop, or swim. They also use their feet to catch and hold their food. Different birds have different feet. Perching birds like pigeon, sparrow, and crow sit on trees or wires. Perching means to hold branches or wires and sit over them. They hold the branches or wires with their claws. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Flesh-eating birds like eagle, vulture, and owl have very sharp and curved claws called talons. Talons are used to catch their prey. Scratching birds like hens use their claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Climbing birds like woodpecker and parrot use their toes to climb trees. They have 2 toes pointing in upward direction and 2 toes pointing in downward direction. These toes help them to hold on to trees and climb up. Wading birds like herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. Wading means to walk through water. These toes help them to walk through water in search of food. Swimming birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet. Front toes of these birds are joined by skin called web. These feet help them to push water while swimming.